Is your business held back by slow and expensive international payments? Whether you're a startup receiving investment in US dollars, a small business paying a supplier in euros, or an e-commerce entrepreneur withdrawing from platforms like Stripe and Amazon, Wise Business simplifies your global financial admin. For a one-time fee of just $31, you'll get a business account that manages all your international business payments from start to finish. Pay teams worldwide with batch transfer, receive in 23 plus currencies, automate payments, and integrate with your favorite accounting software. Let's break it down. Within your Wise Business account, you can send low-fee, fast and transparent payments to over 160 countries. Get access to batch transfer to pay your employees in multiple currencies in one click. Integrate with accounting softwares like NetSuite, Sage, Wave, Xero, QuickBooks, and Free Agent for a 360-degree view of your finances. Create local account details in 9 plus currencies to get paid and send money like a local business. Receive payments in over 23 currencies, including US dollar, Canadian dollar, euros, and Chinese yuan. Withdraw funds from platforms like Amazon, Stripe, and Etsy. Generate payment links, quick pay codes, and professional invoices to make it easier for your customers to pay you. Set up direct debits to automate payments with ease. Unlock multi-user access and set up custom team approvals and permissions. Spend online and in person in the right currency and without hidden fees on the Wise multi-currency card for businesses. Not ready to upgrade yet? With the free Wise Business account, you still have the ability to make fast, low-fee international payments, hold and send more than 40 currencies globally to over 160 countries. Get transparent pricing so you'll always know what you'll pay up front, and access 24/7 customer support. That said, you'll need to upgrade your account to access our Receive features. The Wise Business account has everything you need to manage your business internationally, whether you're paying suppliers, receiving customer payments, or streamlining your global finances. That way, you can save time, cut costs, and focus on growing across borders. Want to see Wise Business in action? Check out our quick product demos on sending and receiving multi-currency payments or syncing with accounting softwares. Wise Business, the account for doing business in other currencies.